Got the boy, static boy Frenchie, famous guy, Big Murda.
I'm bringing these back to Jersey.
Oh no. But we're about to get these tires taken off so that we can fucking take the wheel apart and swap out the barrels. That's what we sealing these wheels with. I don't know what y'all use, but it's what the fuck I'm using. Alright, so we got the wheels here, got the tires off, and now we scrape all this bullshit off and take this shit apart, and then we're gonna reseal and then go get the tires put back on. Okay, so we taking the bolts off the back, but we got Frenchie doing manual labor, so we're gonna get this process done a lot quicker.
Manual labor, that's racist.
Alright, so we got this one split. Frenchie's mad because I did it before him.
You blew the seal.
He's butthurt. He's still working on it. I already did it before him. He just can't keep up. We're just too good. So maybe he can figure it out in the future.
At this fucking point, on the next episode of Dragon Ball Z.
2 hours later.
Look, guys, he did it.
100 years later.
I had to help him. He wasn't strong enough to do it, so I had to pull it open for him.
I'm using this as my next sealant.
Hey, I'm trying to tell y'all, this is where it's at. This motherfucker's perfect. So we got all this shit cleaned up. We got the lips cleaned up as good as we can. Don't gotta be perfect. It's just we got all the silicone off and everything. Now we just wait on UPS and we can get this shit started.
Folks, you got new barrels and lips?
Bro, we got it all. The whole shebang, my boy. The whole everything. I don't even know what size these are. I know some of them are 4-inch barrels and some of them are 4.5. Oh yeah. We got the barrels and we got the new lips. What do you think? We are about to sand down these beautiful polished lips and make them look like that. So don't y'all ever try to compare fucking polished lips to chrome lips. These are brand new polished lips. Chrome lips, polished lips. I've had these chrome lips and they're dirty. Had these chrome lips for over a year. Brand new polished lips. Look like shit. Not even close. Oh yeah, put this bad boy together. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do it. All right, so we got all the bolts tightened up and everything, and now it's time to just tape all this off and seal it. All right, so we got everything taped off, and now we just gotta run the fucking sealant and smooth everything out, and then ready to put a tire on this one. Oh,
I'm telling.
I'm sending this to Bobby, and Bobby don't even know me. Me personally, I wouldn't allow this. What do you think? You think it's okay?
It'll be alright.
I'm telling Bobby.
My boy can't see at night.
Yeah, I can't see, nigga.
Oh my God.
Is it bag?
No, big static guy. Let me get the angles.
Oh my God, this bumper's fucking off.
Holy shit! That's fucking low! Oh my God.
Bro, you gotta fear dying.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
I got my work shirt on under that. Thank you, dude. I know my bumper's probably off.
Yeah, you know, your bumper's...
Oh my God! What?
Hey,
Ow!
How these to sell at gas?
Yo, you giving out stickers for free?
Yo, everybody hit up Akordski on Instagram for a Fear of Dying banner. If you want a Fear of Dying banner, hit up Akordski.
This one's a little small, but...
Yeah, that's...
Nah, you will get a full-size banner. Full-size front windshield banner from Akordski. Just DM him, he'll hook you up.
Crazy.
We've been sitting here for about 2 hours trying to load this car up. Not really, but we've been here for about probably 20 minutes roughly. It's halfway on the fucking thing. Just so you guys know, this shit is monster truck as fuck. You wanted content, nigga, I'm giving you the content.
Good morning, everybody. Right now, we're getting everything loaded up so we can go to my boy Nate's funeral. We're almost done loading everything. I have my wife's wheels on the front so that I could get on the trailer. And yeah, got everything ready. Got my brother Korsky out here. So we're about to mob 2.5 hours. Well, I'm not about to mob, but he's about to mob 2.5 hours. So we'll see you soon, Nate.
Yeah. You vlogging?
Could be.
I'm tired.
He's saying we're poor. He says we're poor. All of us.
I mean, it is a Thursday, so.
Outside. Right now we're getting gas. Beat the fit, man, though. Yeah.
But now it's heading for an even bigger one. Greta Gerwig's live-action adaptation is headed to IMAX for only 1 week, starting September 22nd.
Oh my God.
Hop in throughout the day to get caught up on everything.
We're about 30 minutes away. Made it, kind of. Not there yet, but we're here. We got some grub. Yeah. Oh my God, it's a Korsky.
So the car is off the trailer, but it's not on the floor.
That bitch UFO.
Hold on, let's see if his car really low. Somebody give me a light. Somebody give me a light. We ain't got shit under here. Yo, where the scrapes at, bro? Where the scrapes at? This shit clean as a bitch under here.
Right now, we are currently loading on the trailer at Izel's house. He's got a blue wide body Miata. It's pretty fucking very clean. But now we load up and continue our journey home. I mean, would you look at that beauty right there? Oh, it's glorious. I fucking love these wheels. We're in the process. We're kind of halfway on. Honestly, we're only like 5 minutes in. I'm not gonna debeat, I promise. Should be good. We're only like 5, not even, probably like 4 or 5 minutes in, and it's already going good. Izel let me use his race ramps. Definitely helping out a lot. Hopefully, we can continue the process and get on this trailer because we gotta go back home and we gotta drop Frenchie off at the airport so we can go back home. That bad. We are almost on the trailer. As you see, we're doing it. We are making shit happen. We're making shit happen decently quick. We're like 25 minutes in. We did it. 30 minutes. We have done it. We've done it. Honestly, it only took like 30 minutes. Yesterday was so bad. I don't know if anybody got clips, but that was not going good. A lot of shit happened. It took like 3.5 hours to get off the trailer, but we did it. This is my boy Izel's car who helped me with the race ramps. This is his Miata. Very clean car. He's bagged. I'm trying to convince him to go static, so everybody go let this guy know to go static. We don't want to see this. We want to see this tucked.
Big back though.
Oh my god. Our backs are growing. Oh my god. Oh, at the gas station. Backs are enlarging right now. Let's see what she goes with.
I don't know. I don't really want. I just want a normal drink. What do I do?
I don't know.
What are you crazy? Oh no, sheets.
Oh my god. Look at it. Alright, so we're back from my boy Nate's funeral. We are here to unload. We got the homie Twist, Akorski, Static Jules. She's famous. They're all famous.
Take 4 hours.
Nah, no 4 hours. It took 3.5 hours to get off the trailer. So, alrighty. Right now, the car is in the air. I fixed my exhaust. My car ended up falling off the trailer at Nate's funeral while I was unloading, and my entire rear fell off the trailer and fucking everything came down. The exhaust, the welds, like the hanger literally snapped off the entire frame. My rear bumper took some damage, cracked all the way up here, cracked up here somewhere. Yeah, right here. So a couple things got fucked up, but it's time to change the color on this. It's time. There's just too many fucked up things with it. I ended up cracking this and ended up cracking this when I got stuck at Cookout. Also ended up cracking this the first day in GAT. So we definitely need to make some repairs, but it's time to start sanding this down.